When it comes to taking off the rear wheel on the electric bike, someone came up with a brilliant idea. One of these. And it really works. Except it's kind of tight and hard, and every time you want to take your wheel off, you've got to go through the same process. Once you have the wheel off, I would suggest stressing the distance between the forks here and spreading them further apart. Right now, if you measure the distance, it is 7 1/8. What I did on mine is to take a jack, this is from BMW, and start cranking and spreading that apart. Okay, there you see it. I have it spread apart to 9 1/4 inches. Now the jack has been removed. We check the distance and it is 7 1/2. And now it'll easily pull in and out.